Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of Exness and IC Markets, two of the biggest forex brokers in the world right now. If you are a trader, whether a beginner or advanced, choosing the right broker can mean the difference between smooth sailing and endless frustration. In this video, I'll cover an in-depth overview, the main features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and finally help you decide which broker is the better choice for you in 2025. So let's get started. Let's start with Exness. This broker has come a long way since it launched in 2008. Exness is currently one of the most popular forex brokers in the world, with over 500,000 active traders monthly and the monthly trading volume exceeding $4 trillion. Yes, $4 trillion. Exness is regulated by multiple top-tier bodies including the FCA in the UK and CySec in Cyprus. What really sets them apart is their focus on transparency, on speed and automation. They were among the first brokers to offer instant withdrawals, and today most transactions are processed in seconds. They also serve clients from around the world, except a few restricted regions, and are particularly popular across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, thanks to their multilingual platform support and regional payment methods. Now let's switch to IC Markets. Let's talk about IC Markets. Established in 2007 and based in Australia, IC Markets is a true ECN broker. That means they connect traders directly with liquidity providers. No dealing desk intervention ever. This is perfect for day traders, scalpers, and high-frequency trading systems. IC Markets is also heavily regulated by the Australia and Seychelles regulatory bodies. They've built a reputation for reliability and raw pricing with ultra-tight spreads, especially on major pairs like Euros and USD and Pounds and USD. They claim to be the largest true ECN broker in the world, and their infrastructure reflects that. They think ultra-fast execution, institutional grade liquidity, and several locations close to exchanges in New York and London. Now let us talk about the main features of the platforms. We start with Exness. Exness is connected to different platforms including MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, the Exness Terminal, and the Exness Trade mobile app. Instant withdrawals. Funds are often sent back to your wallet within seconds, even on weekends. TradingView integration. You can use advanced charting tools right within their web platform. Flexible leverage. Up to 1:2000 on certain instruments. Range of instruments. Over 280, including forex, crypto, stocks, commodities, and indices. Algorithmic trading and VPS. This supports EA bots and provides VPS access for smooth execution. How about the features of IC Markets? It is also connected to different platforms like MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, CTrader, and TradingView. Ultra low spreads. You can get spreads as low as 0.0 pips on major pairs. Fast execution. Execution speeds under 40 milliseconds. Institutional grade liquidity. You have access to over 25 liquidity providers. Advanced tools, which includes auto chartist, depth of market, and one-click trading. Social trading supports copy trading through MyFXBook, Zulu Trade, and others. Now let us talk about the pricing. This is a very important part. For Exness, the standard account has spreads from 0.2 pips, no commission. A minimum deposit of $10 is required, and there is maximum leverage, 1:1 unlimited. There's also a professional account on Exness, which requires a $500 minimum deposit and spread from 0.1 pips, no commissions as well, and the maximum leverage is 1:1 unlimited as well. How about IC Markets? For standard accounts, you can have spreads that start at 1.0 pip. For a raw spread account, you can get spread from 0.0 pips, then $3.5 per lot commission. To get more info about the pricing, you will need to log in onto both platforms, choose the platform you would like to connect to, and you get more information about all the pricing involved. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Exness and IC markets. We start with the pros. For Exness, instant withdrawals, higher leverage options, user-friendly mobile and web platforms, low minimum deposit, which is ideal for beginners, and it's great for algorithmic and copy trading. The pros of IC markets: true ECN pricing with ultra-tight spreads, multiple platform support including CTrader, strong educational section and trading tools, and it's perfect for scalpers and day traders. How about the cons? For Exness, customer service isn't always 24/7 globally. The educational content is also a bit limited for new traders, and raw spreads aren't quite as tight as IC markets. How about the cons of using IC markets? There's a higher minimum deposit for some accounts, some countries are not currently supported, and withdrawals might take a little longer than Exness. So which broker is better in 2025? They all have their pros and cons. Well, if you're a trader looking for instant withdrawals, higher leverage, and a low entry barrier, Exness is an outstanding choice. It's also very accessible in emerging markets, and its platform is intuitive for both beginners and experienced traders. But if your focus is on scalping, speed, and tight spreads, the IC market is almost unbeatable. The execution speed, the deep liquidity, and platform variety make it ideal for professionals and high-volume traders. So ultimately, here's how I'd sum it up. Go with Exness if you want flexibility, faster payouts, and low entry requirements. Then choose IC markets if you want institutional grade conditions and you're okay with a slightly higher deposit. Both are excellent, they are fully regulated brokers, so your decision comes down to what kind of trader you are. And that's it on the comparison of Exness and IC markets. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Pepperstone, Forex Time, and Admirals. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.